Hey guys, just thought I'd give you an update here on the CNC plasma. In the last couple of videos you could see the riser plate just coming off the CNC mill, and sort of showed how I was going to do these motor mounts here. That's pretty much it there. As you can see, it's pivoting from there. Just the tension there which drives the pinion upwards into the gear rack. Just small little motors, NEMA 23s, plenty of power for this kind of CNC plasma. Probably could have gone down a down ratio. These are 15:1. I just had these sitting here. I had like 10 of them sitting around. Probably could have gone to like maybe like a 7:1 or something like that with this size pinion. You'll see the pinion in a second, but still pretty good speed. It can run 6,000 millimeters pretty easily, 6,000 millimeters a minute. So yeah, that's pretty much how this side works. Now with the x-axis, as you can see, pretty much the same thing, but a little bit different how it tensions there. Yeah, I quite like that that design. I've done a similar design, not in aluminium, in steel before, so I quite liked that. I'll show it running in a second. This is the other side, pretty much exactly the same, but obviously runs my e-chain there. Probably get it cutting on Monday maybe. I've got a few things to do over the weekend, so probably get it cutting then, but moves fine, no problems. Anyway, just thought I'd show you the update, and yeah, keep you posted. Cheers.